Well, hello to all of Mr. Ippolito's students. This is Mr. Ippolito. It is Thursday, October 16th, 2014. Today is the day of the Great Shakeout. And sorry I can't be here today. I am at a meeting at the district office, but I'm leaving you in the very capable hands of Mr. Loudon, and you're going to have a great day today. Today is a special schedule. I'm going to go over the agenda really quickly with you. You do have the Great Shakeout Bell schedule, which you can take a look at right there in your agenda. We're going to, the intro video is what I'm showing you right now. I'm going to ask Mr. Loudon to go ahead and play this YouTube video for you one more time. I think the last time you watched it was when we had another sub in here. I believe that was the day we had Mr. Jacobs in here, and you were going over the Crash Course World History video notes. Now, I want you to watch this one more time because it's really going to help you with questions 19 and 20 in the study guide. I am planning to have probably a good 3 or 4 questions approximately on the exam that deal with BC, BCE, CE, and AD, and centuries and range, because this not only deals with what we're learning about in Islam during this unit, but we're going to use this plenty of other times. So your ability to be able to read dates and centuries, this is super important for your study of history from now until the end of your high school career and beyond if you study any history or social studies in college. So this is really important. So that's why I want to have an encore presentation of this video. I'm going to ask Mr. Loudon to press play on that as soon as we're done with this intro video here. The next thing I'm going to have you do is take out your study guide one more time. Again, if you lost your paper copy, that's okay. You can use your Chromebook and you can click on the digital copy right here. Now, I was originally planning to go over a couple of questions with you, maybe yesterday, today, maybe write out some answers. Here's what I've decided to do instead. I am giving you all of the answers. Well, maybe not directly all of the answers, but I'm giving you a way to find all the answers by going to the Awesome Learning Guide. So when you get started, you're going to go ahead and you can click here for the Awesome Learning Guide, or I always like to tell students to go up here to the top tab. You click on the Awesome Learning Guide. I've updated the Awesome Learning Guide. Right here at the top, there's also that blank review guide, which you could click on right there. That's going to open up the blank one for you. But now, if you go to this right here, you click on where do I find the answers, and you click there. And this is going to be magic, because now you'll notice in red, I have written notes for every single question. You notice I haven't answered the questions for you, but I've told you, here's where you can find the answers. I want to develop these skills for you where rather than just you getting the answers, Mr. Ippolito, what's the answer? Mr. Ippolito, what's the answer? Well, I'm not going to just give you the answer, but I'm going to tell you this is where you can go. This is where you can research and study and find the answer. Here in the textbook, in the Awesome Learning Guide, here in our discussion notes. Here, I did give you the answers to these 2 questions here, the converting from Roman numerals to modern numerals. I did give you those answers there because that was kind of like a math question. But also, I've given you resources for how to study for Roman numerals, Islam, all of these questions here. And again, scrolling all the way down to the end, and you have the link so that you can see all of this. So, and then finally at the very end, the vocabulary right here. So this is a great resource for you. So when you're done, let me go back to the agenda now. When you're done watching this video that Mr. Loudon is showing to you right now, and when you're done watching this video here, I encourage you to take out your study guide, go to the Awesome Learning Guide, and start that research. Do as much as you can. We have, I think, 41-minute class periods today. So do as much as you can during class today. Use your class time wisely. And then for the remainder of the time, you're going to go ahead and you'll be doing that for the rest of class. And then when you get home or you're in the library today, wherever you happen to be studying one last time before tomorrow's exam, you can use that as a resource. Just a reminder that the Great Shakeout is today during E period. If you are E period, then just make sure you have a number 2 pencil in your backpack at the beginning of the period, and then just follow these instructions. To all of my students, I am looking forward to having a great test day tomorrow. I'm looking forward to having you come in prepared and ready to go. You're going to have a great test tomorrow. I'm looking forward to it. Have a great day today. Have a great productive day. Thank you. Bye-bye.